the fans, marami kaming mention or mga nakitang growth within the family. Unang-una is, I think, nag-start kami, sabay rin, I mean, technically sabay kami nag-start with our fans. Mga ka-age bracket namin, sabay namin sila. And ngayon, same mission namin sila. And one thing I noticed is that sinasabi nila na because of us, parang nagkaroon din sila ng courage to explore, not only mag-try ng something new sa life nila, but of course, then mag-explore ng different genres of music. And yun yung nakakatuwa lang kasi parang hindi namin nalalaman na yung mga ganung bagay pala is malaking tulong sa kanila. Na ginagawa lang naman namin siya ng normal sa amin, like genuinely namin siya ginagawa kasi mahal namin siyang gawin. So parang we're happy to hear na may mga ganung klaseng statement or mga stories sa fanboys. And one thing na naalala ko bigla dahil kunento lang ni Pablo. Kasi last time na nasa Japan din kami for our pagtatag. During our pagtatag concert nasa Japan din kami. Parang may Japanese fan na nag-approach sa akin. Tapos parang nakakagulat lang na as a first timer na mag-show sa Japan, na merong mag-approach sa akin na authentic Japanese. I mean, totoong Japanese na excited siya mapanood kami, gano'n. So parang as someone na parang may experience naman living in Japan, parang automatic, nagpakitang gilas lang ako na kinausap ko siya. Hindi naman siya straight Japanese, pero somehow nagkaintindihan kami. Naman mo. Parang nakakagulat lang din. Parang, alam mo yung connection na kahit hindi naman siya force, parang nagkataon lang, super happy sa feeling na somehow may ganun kami connection, hindi lang sa mga Filipino audiences namin. I mean, across the world, parang may chance kami to do that interaction, hindi lang sa mga kapwa ko. So, yung ganung klase ng growth ng artist and sa fandom, talagang it's something na masaya sa puso and something na nakakatuwang baunin hanggang sa pagtanda namin. Kasi hindi naman every time may chance kami to interact with the audience or sa fans kasi every concert lang or may celebrate, but yung ganung klaseng na genuine ako is something na very special to us. Story time siya ito.
Thank you for listening to our story.
Thank you to this. Yeah, thank you. Copy paste.
たくさん語ってくれたんですけど、なんかすごくその P-POP と J-POP 今回コラボレーションさせていただいたことはすごくなんか、僕たちにとってはすごく光栄なことでありますし、やっぱり音楽っていろんな壁を壊してくれるものだと僕は思っていて、壁なんてそもそもなくてもいいものだとも思ってるんですけど、そういうものがこういうコラボレーションによってなんかJ-POP を初めて聴く人が出てきたりとか P-POP を聴く人が初めて出てきたりとか、そういうなんか僕たちがコラボレーションすることによってなんかいろんなところがこう手をつなげてなんかまたその音楽のその人が触れる音楽が広がってなんかすごく少しでも今日一日がより明るく豊かになるような人生になってほしいなっていうふうに個人的には思ってるので、そんなきっかけにこのコラボレーションになってくれたらすごくいいなっていうふうに僕は望んでますね。
So, with regards to, first of all, maraming sinabi a while ago from SK19 and we really agree with what they said. And for J-pop and P-pop, I think being able to have this kind of collaboration, first of all, we are very, very honored. Talagang nagpapasalamat kami for that one. And at the same time, I believe music breaks wall. Pero in the first place, ang wall na hindi naman siya kailangan, dapat wala siya dyan. Pero by having this collaboration with J-pop at P-pop, yung wall talagang namawala dyan. For those who actually enjoy J-pop for the first time, they will say, oh, this is J-pop, I like it. And for P-pop first timers, the same as well. They will really become a touch point for them. And by receiving that music, they like it and they share it. It will actually connect people, like shaking hands and making a circle, a network of friends together. And at the same time, it becomes an inspiration for their life. It will be something that will add excitement and joy to their life. And being able to have that through this collaboration is a very, very honorable thing for us. Thank you.
That's right.